Hello everyone, Amanda here from scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. And today we're going to make this lovely, cute little sweet treat table favour. It's absolutely adorable. I'm making these for on stage to swap with some of my team, but you could use these for baby showers, wedding favours. You could sell them on your craft stores. You could give them to teachers, co-workers, put them in your crafty swaps, or make them, like I say, just for fun. So I'm going to show you how I've made these. So we're starting off with a piece of this. I'm using Coastal Cabana. Now this is an offcut. You can make this project out of scraps, literally out of scraps from your table, bits and bobs, get them used up. So I'm using the Starburst punch, which is, what does it measure? Is it about 2 inches? It's just over 2 inches in diameter, roughly. Okay, so I'm going to punch 2 of these. Super simple. I love the punch. I love it when we can just get things and just punch rather than die cutting. It saves time, it's easier, and yeah. I don't know if I'm a bit of a lazy crafter, but I do like things that are immediate. So I'm putting this on my scoreboard and I'm making sure that it's kind of straight, that I've got a point going up, you know, and that the point at the bottom of it is in line, so it's straight. And I'm going to the 1 3/4 inch mark. Okay, get it buttered up against there, and you're going to have to hold it quite firm because obviously it's not a square piece. So hold it quite firmly and then very carefully just score at the 1 3/4 inch mark. And then do the same with your second Starburst punched shape. Okay, and then we can just bob that away and we can grab those. And then we just need to fold and burnish those score lines. Okay, and then just unfold them a minute and take one of them, and on the back, because you're going to have like a gusset like that, so on the back of one of them you want to add a little bit of glue. I'm using Tombow. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and then just fold those score lines out and join these two together. Don't overlap, but go quite close to the score line on the other piece. So you've got a figure of 8 like so. Give it a good press so it's nice and so you know it's glued down. Just make sure it's kind of even and central. It's not too bad. And then we're just going to grab our sweet treat, and I've got these lollipops. If you're in the UK, I get mine from Home Bargains, but you can get little lollipops like this just about anywhere, and they're not difficult to find. They work out at round about 10p a piece. Sometimes you can get them cheaper. Have a look in your pound shops, that kind of thing. Okay, so I've put tear tape on either side of the score line, on the inside and centrally, because that's going to just help keep our lollipop straight inside the little decorative holder. So then you have got the scored bottom there, so put your lollipop in and look for the centre, and then just press that tear tape, and that will just fasten on to the cello wrapping on that little lollipop there. Okay, we're going to just bob that to one side now. So then you want to grab a scrap piece of white cardstock, and I'm using the Stitched All Around stamp set. I love these sentiments, they're awesome because you can just stamp them and punch them and you're good to go. And I'm using this one here that says thank you. Okay, I'm using Coastal Cabana ink because it coordinates with the cardstock that I've used. Just ink that up and stamp it. Beautiful, it's beautiful, it stamps beautiful every time this set, I love it. And then I'm bringing in my 1 3/8 of an inch scalloped edge circle punch, and I'm going to punch that out. You can use any size circle punch, you can even fussy cut round it if you want. I just wanted the scalloped one. Okay, and then we're going to attach that to our little tree using a dimensional. So aim for the centre, okay, like so. Alright, and then what I have used is I've got some scrap again from my desk. I think the general rule of thumb is you could use just about anything, just try and keep the colours similar. And you can't really go far wrong. So I've used the classic label punch there, and I've just punched one out, and it's that shape. We're going to fold it in half so that the points meet, and just nip it there so it's folded completely in half, like so. And then we're going to go back in the side of the classic label punch with both of them folded together at the same time, and if we just put it in that part there, okay, we can nip that end off. We're nipping the pointed end off, and we're turning it from a point to a banner shape. Okay, tiny bit of glue, and then we're going to wrap that around the lollipop stick and just nip that together, and nip it so that it's nice and wrapped around that lollipop stick like so. Okay, and then I have die cut, I've done this beforehand, one of these tiny little stitched hearts, and this comes from the Stitched Labels framelit set, and I'm just putting a tiny dot of glue on there, and I'm going to attach that to my banner. Just hold it while it dries, and then the finishing touch is a little bow which I've made before I filmed. I can't make these on camera, and I've used the classic weave ribbon, and it's Whisper White. It's lovely. Now I do tie my bows on a cheap little bow maker like this with pegs. Okay, that's how I do them. I always get asked when I show pictures of my bows. That's how I do it, I cheat. Okay, and then I'm going to add some glue. I'm going to add Tombow, and then if you just be that little bit patient and hold that whilst it dries, that will hold nicely. If you don't have patience, you can use glue dots, but I recommend wet glue, and then it will stay on there for longer. Now all of the details for this cute little tree I will leave over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Don't forget to hop on over and leave me a comment today to be in with a chance of winning some blog candy. I am doing blog candy giveaways every day during the month of March, so do hop on over to scrimpingmommy.co.uk and leave me a comment, and I hope you will try this little project. It is ever so cute. They are super fast to make. You can use up your scraps, and you can make these up in no time at all. If you do make them and you share them on Instagram or Facebook or anywhere, please do tag me, at the @ Scrimping Mama, or tag Amanda Charlesworth, because I do love to see what you make, and I love it. Lots of people did make the desk organiser that I made last week and shared it with me, and it really does make me smile when I see what you make, so please do share with me. This one doesn't have a bow. Where's it gone? It's fallen off. Stick it back on. You've got to be patient and wait for it to dry. So do give them a try, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.